Hey everyone! In this video, you will see how to turn Razorpay's sales data into real-time social proof pop-up that builds trust. Let's dive in. Let's install the WiserNotify webhook. Go to your WiserNotify app. Make sure you have created a lead activity notification. Click on Customize Leads Activity Notification. Go to the data source and click on Add Integration. Search Razorpay and click Integrate. Enter a name. Click Create. Copy the webhook URL. Now log into your Razorpay account. Go to Account and Settings. Select Webhooks under Website and App Settings. Click Add New Webhook. Paste the webhook URL. Select Order Paid in Events. Then click Create Webhook. Now click on the new created webhook and turn the status to Enabled. Now go back to WiserNotify app. Close the integration pop-up and make sure to select Razorpay in the integration list. Kindly note, the notification will only appear if the selected data source has at least one data. After integration, once you have a new registration, it will show new lead activities. If you encounter any issues, refer to our troubleshooting option or contact our live chat support for assistance. That's it! You're all set to display real-time payments as social proof pop-up.